In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Assassin's Creed Origins. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this black gold ISO. Download the mod. To install this mod, it requires this Resorep. Download this as well. To download this, you need to log into the site. Once download done, select this folder icon and right click on this setup, select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And this is for Windows 7 and Windows 8, Windows 8.1 users, and this is for Windows 11 and 10 users. Right click on the game and select open file location, drag and drop these three files inside the game folder, and then open this resorep.jar. Select OK. Select add application and navigate to game folder. Find the game exe file and select open option. Select 64-bit and select OK. Now select this advanced settings. Select enable mod creator mode and then click on OK. Now you need to navigate to this path, modded textures folder, package documents, sub modded, and in here you need to drop the mod file. Drop the mod file inside this modded folder and now launch the game. Once you are in game, press the tab key and go to gear, outfit, scroll down and select this ISO armor, and the armor default color is red. After installing the mod, the color changed to black. The mod is successfully working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.